Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Then again 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. P E M D According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division, then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis according to the rule. Okay, so 8 minus 5. Now solve this parenthesis. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So according to the rule, here is multiplication and here is subtraction. So multiplication is first priority, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so 8 minus 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15, is equal to 8 minus 15 is equal to minus 7. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 7. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.